In this video, I will be showing you how to install 7-zip in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just search for 7-zip. We'll be having the official link from 7zip.org. Click it. Here we will be having the 7-zip for 64-bit. If you want 34-bit and ARM64, here is the option. I will just go with the 64-bit one. Click on download. The setup file will be getting downloaded. Open it, and this is going to be the default folder where 7-zip will be installed. If you want to change it, click on this browse option and change it. I will just click on install. Installation is done. Just click on close. Now if I go to any file or folder and right click on it, we'll be having the 7-zip option. We can add to archive or simply compress and email it. So I'll just click on add to archive. Here we are having so many options. I will just select the zip format over here and click on OK. This will basically zip that particular file or folder that you have selected. As you can see, we are having a zip file and the file is present inside it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.